Charity L. Malod was born on September 1, 1992 in Bayugan, Agusan do Sur. She is hardworking and a dedicated individual known for her strong sense of personality. Sherry came from a loving family that has always been there for her, offering support and encouraged her every stage of her life. As the eldest of her three siblings, she always felt a sense of responsibility to help her parents and to set good example for her younger brother and sister. Her parents have played an essential role in shaping the personnel she is today. They have worked hard to provide her family, and she always admired their strength and determination. Growing up, she worked alongside her study to help them, and truly valued the sacrifices they made for them. They are their biggest inspiration. She is the eldest of her siblings, and they share a special bond that has grown over the years. Her brother and sister are both important to her life, and she's so proud to be their older sibling. The love and the connection they share as siblings is one of her greatest treasures, and she always cherishes the moment that they've shared. Sherry's educational journey began at East Bayugan Central Elementary School, where she laid the foundation for her academic future. During her elementary years, she was known for her hardworking attitude and determination. After finishing her elementary, she moved to Bayugan National Comprehensive High School, where her academic journey became even more challenging. High school brought new opportunities. Shira's college years at Agusan Luther College in Bayugan City were a transformative period in her life. Enrolled the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration program, majoring in Operation Management. She was determined to succeed, despite the challenges that she faces. As a working student, Sherry had to balance her studies with her part-time jobs to support her family. This experience taught her time management, discipline, and value of hard work. Her college days weren't just about academics. They were about growth. Sherry developed a deeper sense of responsibility, learning to navigate the pressure of both school and work. It was also during this time that she became more independent and self-reliant, as she had to juggle multiple roles and manage her own finances. She found strength in knowing that every effort she put in her studies would lead to a brighter future for her family and herself. Despite the difficulties, Sherry's college years were also filled with moments of joy and achievement. She made lasting friendships, learned valuable life skills, and grew both personally and professionally. Sherry is happily married to Cyrus Malad. They reside at Prosperidad Agusan del Sur. Sherry's married life with Cyrus has been filled with love and support and deep companionship. Married to a dedicated police officer, Sherry and Cyrus share a strong and trusting relationship that has stood the test of time. Their marriage rooted in mutual respect, and that's her, funny and sweet and a brave person. She is working in Philippine Normal University, Mindanao as a staff. Sherry loved to cook. She always enjoyed experimenting with different dishes, exploring new flavors, and sharing her new creations. Traveling is one of her greatest passions. She's always found joy in exploring new places, whether it's a nearby town. For her, each journey is an opportunity to step outside from her comfort zone, embrace the adventure, and experience the world in all the beauty and all diversity. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.